What if one of the boldest investors of our time is placing her biggest bet on Tesla in 2025? Do you follow or do you run? Let us break down the strategy behind Cathie Wood's high conviction play and find out if this bet is genius or a gamble. Let us explore Cathie Wood's biggest bet on Tesla for 2025 and uncover whether this bold move will truly pay off or not. This isn't just another stock pick. This is a window into the mindset of one of the most influential investors in today's market. Cathie Wood, the visionary CEO of ARK Investment Management, is known for shaking up traditional investment thinking. Her firm, ARK Invest, has built a strong reputation for backing disruptive innovation, particularly in the tech sector. But her unwavering belief in Tesla makes this investment more than just financial, it's philosophical. Is a company that aligns deeply with ARK Invest's future-focused mission. Over the years, Tesla's stock has experienced extreme volatility, becoming both a darling and a danger for investors. Despite the roller coaster ride, Cathie Wood has remained loyal, consistently investing in Tesla through multiple ARK ETFs. Her enduring confidence reveals her strategy. She doesn't flinch at short-term dips, because she's betting on long-term domination. She believes Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a technology and energy disruptor. What makes Cathie Wood's backing of Tesla so impactful is the ripple effect it causes. When she invests, Wall Street listens. Her bold moves often inspire a wave of retail and institutional investor interest. That's why it's worth exploring. Why? Tesla continues to capture her conviction, even as the industry evolves and competitors enter the ring. Tesla's edge lies in its innovation, constantly pushing boundaries in battery tech, AI-powered autonomous driving, and sustainable energy solutions. It's not just about electric vehicles. It's about redefining how we think about transportation and energy altogether. That vision has kept Cathie Wood anchored to her belief that Tesla is still vastly undervalued in terms of its future potential. But let's not ignore the challenges. Tesla operates in a cutthroat market where legacy automakers and new EV startups are aggressively fighting for market share. Regulatory hurdles, supply chain complexities, and production scalability add pressure. The company also walks a tightrope when it comes to investor sentiment. One tweet, one recall, one earnings miss, and the stock price can swing dramatically. Furthermore, global economic uncertainties, like interest rate hikes, inflationary pressures, and geopolitical instability can further complicate Tesla's journey. The EV market is no longer a novelty. It's becoming saturated, and staying ahead requires relentless innovation and execution. Tesla's bold moves in markets like China and Europe are promising, but they also bring new risks. Cathie Wood's track record with Tesla speaks volumes. She has weathered storms, held firm through downturns, and emerged with gains when others panicked. Her consistent backing has often gone against the grain, but it's paid off handsomely in the past. Her core investment principle is simple but powerful. Invest in innovation and hold for the long run. In her eyes, volatility is not a threat, it's an opportunity. Recently, Tesla's push into full self-driving software, energy storage systems, and international expansion has likely bolstered her confidence even further. Yet not everyone is convinced. Critics argue that Tesla's valuation is sky-high, and that the growth projections are overly optimistic. Still, Wood remains bullish, believing the world hasn't fully priced in Tesla's future potential. So what does the road to 2025 look like for Tesla? If the EV market continues its explosive growth and Tesla maintains its innovation edge, the payoff could be massive, not just for Cathie Wood, but for anyone who shares her vision. Analysts project continued revenue growth, new product lines, and a strengthening brand presence that could make Tesla even more dominant. But it won't be easy. Tesla will need to overcome production challenges, regulatory barriers, and competitive threats. It must deliver on big promises, from Cybertruck rollouts to robotaxi networks. Execution will be everything. One misstep could shake investor confidence, but flawless execution could send the stock soaring. As we head toward 2025, Cathie Wood's unwavering belief in Tesla stands as a bold declaration of her investment strategy. She's not playing it safe, she's betting on revolution. And whether or not that bet pays off will likely shape how future investors assess risk, innovation, and disruption. In conclusion, Cathie Wood's massive Tesla position is not just a financial decision, it's a signal to the world about where she believes the future is heading. Her commitment to Tesla highlights her belief in transformative companies and long-term value creation. While Tesla faces real challenges, its innovation-driven culture and strong brand loyalty give it a powerful edge. So, what do you think? Will Cathie Wood's biggest bet on Tesla in 2025 pay off, or is the risk just too high? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.